Mazda's own manual tells drivers in the United States to use one oil, and drivers in almost every other country to use a different one in the exact same engine. That is not a typo. It is a clue about what actually protects a Skyactiv engine, and most owners are getting it backwards. Number 7 starts with a widespread misunderstanding: running conventional mineral oil in an engine with a diesel-like compression ratio. Mazda's naturally aspirated Skyactiv-G runs at an incredibly high 13:1 static compression. Because it safely burns regular 87-octane fuel, many owners assume standard old-school engine oil is perfectly fine. But conventional oil quickly shears down under the extreme heat and pressure of this direct injection design. This rapid breakdown contributes directly to stubborn intake valve deposits. Since direct injection sprays fuel straight into the combustion chamber rather than over the valves, there is no fuel spray to wash these deposits away, initiating a cycle of early engine wear. Number 6. Trusting a synthetic blend on the shelf. Many owners see the word synthetic and assume they are buying a premium upgrade. In reality, industry standards show these blends are often 70 to 80% conventional mineral oil, with only a small synthetic fraction. For a Skyactiv direct injection engine, this is a bad compromise. These high compression power plants demand uniform molecular stability across the entire service interval to resist shear. This false upgrade gives drivers unwarranted confidence to stretch drain intervals on a fluid that degrades unevenly, quietly accelerating timing chain wear. Number 5. Mixing up the two viscosity grades and ignoring the regional twist. Mazda does not specify a single universal oil weight for the Skyactiv lineup. In the US, Canada, and Israel, the naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine requires SAE0W20. Yet, for turbocharged models like the CX-5 Turbo or CX-50 Turbo, Mazda specifies 5W30. To complicate things further, manuals outside North America often recommend 5W30 for that exact same naturally aspirated engine. This regional variance is tied to strict fleet fuel economy standards, not engine protection. Running a thicker 5W30 in a North American naturally aspirated engine risks delaying the pressurization of the hydraulic timing chain tensioner during cold starts, leading to chain slap and accelerated wear. Number 4. Ignoring the technical service bulletin that shifts the focus from oil choice to physical hardware. In March 2018, Mazda issued TSBRF 1603R1, warning that the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine requires a specific oil filter, part number PY8W14302, recognized by 2 white bands on the canister. While generic aftermarket filters easily thread onto the engine block, they lack the correct bypass valve calibration. Standard replacement options often open at just 11 pounds per square inch, but Mazda's turbo engine requires a strict 23.2 pounds per square inch threshold. Under high load, this pressure mismatch can allow unfiltered debris to bypass the media or restrict critical oil flow to the turbocharger at high RPM, risking immediate bearing damage. Number 3. Letting the dashboard maintenance reminder make the call. Many drivers treat the oil life light as an absolute safety net, but Mazda's documentation tells a different story. The factory schedule dictates a normal interval of 7,500 miles or 12 months. However, if you face short trips, stop-and-go traffic, extreme temperatures, or frequent idling, you fall under the severe schedule. That cuts your limit to 5,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first. Since the reminder light is calibrated for idealized driving conditions, blindly relying on it during a brutal daily commute quietly wears down your engine. Number 2 on our list, skipping the API and ILSAC check on the back of the bottle. Many owners grab any synthetic oil off the shelf, assuming the brand name guarantees protection. but Mazda's documentation specifically requires oils bearing the API, certified for gasoline engines starburst, and meeting the ILSAC GF6A standard. This is not a generic recommendation. The GF6 standard was introduced specifically to combat low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, in turbocharged direct injection engines like the 2.5T. LSPI can cause sudden, catastrophic piston failure under load. Older GF5 oils were never formulated or tested to prevent this severe phenomenon. Verifying these exact certification stamps on the bottle ensures the oil contains the precise chemistry required to protect your high-compression engine. And finally, in first place, assuming the warranty has your back. Mazda's own warranty documentation explicitly states that the manufacturer is not liable for engine failures caused by improper maintenance or the use of non-approved fluids and filters. If your Skyactiv engine suffers a major failure, a warranty claim does not just hinge on what oil was inside the oil pan, but on what you can physically prove on paper. Without documented service records, invoices, and spec stamps confirming you used the exact API and ILSAC GF6A standards, Mazda has clear grounds to deny an expensive engine replacement. Every previous mistake on this list transforms from a subtle wear risk into a paper trail disaster. Before your next oil change, check the owner's manual, confirm the specifications, and keep every single receipt. These mistakes prove one truth: generic assumptions destroy precision engineering. Mazda's official documentation is your ultimate safeguard. Compare your manual to this list before your next oil change.